In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Tasks better. Let's dive right in. First things first, navigating to Google is our initial step. It's as simple as opening your preferred web browser and typing in www.google.com in the search bar. Once you're on the Google homepage, the journey to enhancing your Google Tasks experience begins. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google account to access your tasks. You'll see the Sign In option on the top right corner of the Google homepage. Clicking on it will prompt you to the Sign In page, a necessary step to personalize your experience on Google, including Google Tasks. Once you've clicked Sign In, it's time to enter your email. Type in your email address associated with your Google account. This is your gateway to not just Google Tasks, but all Google services. After entering your email, proceed by clicking on the next step to ensure your journey to an organized task list continues smoothly. Entering your password comes next. This is a critical step for security and privacy. Make sure you type in the correct password associated with your Google account. Remember, ensuring the security of your account is paramount, so take your time to get it right. After you've successfully entered your password, you'll proceed by clicking Next. This will authenticate your credentials and bring you closer to accessing Google Tasks with improved functionality. Next, you'll navigate to the Google dashboard. This might sound a bit technical, but it's actually your home base for all things Google. Consider it your control room, where you can access various Google services, including Gmail, which is our next step. Once you're in your Google dashboard, look for and click on Gmail. Gmail is not just for email, it's a gateway to many other Google services, including Google Tasks. Through Gmail, accessing tasks becomes intuitive and integrated within your email experience. Clicking on Task is what comes next. This is where the magic happens. Google Tasks is a powerful tool for managing your daily tasks, and accessing it through Gmail brings simplicity and efficiency to your workflow. Now here's where we get to the meat of it. Organizing tasks into lists can significantly enhance your productivity. Instead of a jumbled mess of tasks, categorize them into lists such as personal, work, or project specific. This organization makes managing your tasks more manageable and visually clearer. Last, but certainly not least, add details to your tasks. This is a crucial step that often goes overlooked. Adding details such as due dates, notes, or subtasks can transform a simple task list into a comprehensive project management tool. It allows you to break down big tasks, track deadlines, and stay on top of your responsibilities with ease. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only accessed Google Tasks, but significantly enhanced its functionality for your benefit. Remember, the key to productivity is not just about listing down what needs to be done, but organizing and detailing those tasks for efficient execution. Google Tasks, with its simple yet powerful features, can become an indispensable tool in your productivity arsenal when utilized to its full potential. That wraps up our guide on how to make the most out of Google Tasks. Whether you're juggling personal projects, work assignments, or just daily chores, leveraging lists and details in Google Tasks can help you stay organized and achieve more. Thanks for watching, and here's to your productivity soaring to new heights with Google Tasks.